It's 9:30 a.m. and I just woke up. As we say in France, j'ai la tête dans le cul. It means my head is in my ass right now. The last week have been pretty weird, as every time actually. Being in the process to make it in life. I'm not talking about money, I'm not talking about just relationships, I'm talking about everything. Working on your emotions, on your thoughts, working on yourself, working on your finance too, on your work, working on being happy with what you're doing, on your values, on the respect you bring to people and to the world. Growing as a human, actually, and making it as a human, as a good human. That's it. It's starting all over again every time. You have to start all over again every fucking time. It's pretty difficult because sometimes you don't know what you should focus on. And since the last week, it's funny because I had some hope sometimes. I thought, oh, that's it. It's the moment. And every time you go back to starting again. And you feel like you don't understand why you have to start all over again. You don't understand why it's not simple, why everything is so difficult. When it could be like just simple. But no, every time you have an idea, every time you have a project, then there's someone going in front of it, facing you like, no, it won't be this easy now. And you're like, bro, what the fuck? Let me alone. Like, it's been years. And I'm sick too. I have kept going to the gym at 5. I have kept eating my calories and stuff, but the results, they are not here. I haven't seen results in months, actually. But still, I'm grateful. It's just funny. My body and my mind and my I don't know, it's my soul or something. They are grateful for. They are grateful for what I have and where I am right now, and the chance I have, the luck I have to be here right now. I know a lot of people are going through difficult stuff in their life right now because of everything and anything. Like, it's not about, those kids in Africa or those people in the countries that are going through war and stuff. It's not only that, it's also the people who just lost their father, their mother, their parents in general, or a brother, or cousin, I don't know, lose people, or who lose everything in their life, when you think about it and you're like, bro, I'm okay, but I'm just struggling every time when I just want to make it. I just want to make it, but it's not happening. Why the fuck is it so difficult when it could be just simple? I think what's one of the truths is that by being in the struggle every time, you are building excellence. You are building the best version of yourself. Because even though you keep failing again and again and again, you also keep starting again and 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 again. And that's life. That's life in your projects. Life in your projects is starting again and again and again and again and again and again and thinking, oh, this time that's it, I made it, and failing and being like, what the fuck is happening? I thought it was it. I thought that was it. I thought it was okay. I thought I won. No, it's not the case. You are just learning. You were just learning a little more. So I think one of the things is one of the important things I learned is don't put hope on everything you're doing. Just do the things without looking at the statistics, without looking at the results. Just do it and do it and do it and do it and shut your mouth and do it and do it and do it and do it and again 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 and again, and then you will fail and fail and fail and fail. Because if you just do the things again and again and again without looking at the fucking results, you will not mind failing. You don't care failing. You will just take the learnings, the lessons out of everything and just don't care about failing. And that's what's difficult. That's really difficult when you spend hours and hours and hours and days and weeks working on your projects and then it fails. It's difficult to say, okay, I don't care about the failings. I don't care about the final results of this project that took me like hours or days or months. It's so difficult, but it's what you have to do. And to say, okay, it's not my results. This is not where I'm winning. I'm still on the train going somewhere. I don't fucking know where, but I'm going this way. And you have to be like, that's it, okay, I accept it. What's the lesson here? Okay, I take it and I start again. It's funny because yesterday I was a little bit lost yesterday. I was like, bro, I don't understand anymore. Like, it's been years that I've been starting again and again and again, all over again and again and again. But it's been years that the results I want haven't been here. Years. Fucking years. So what the fuck am I supposed to do? But now that I'm talking to you, to myself too, I'm like, it's logic in some ways. Because I don't want to win this way. I have to be excellent. I have to be the best in my domain. I have to be the fucking best. And so it makes sense that it's not that easy. And my brain is like, it's too easy. Way too easy. So, no, you have to keep struggling a little more, Alex. Keep going, keep struggling. And everything will come in the right moment and at the same moment too. So, your dream body, your dream lifestyle, your dream partner, your dream friends, your dream place where you want to live, everything will come in the same moment, I believe. At least in my life, and maybe in yours too. That if you keep going, then everything will come everything will align, you see. But it's so difficult to trust that so much and to be like, yeah, it will happen. Sometimes you just want to rest a little bit and to say, this time I'm a little tired about everything and I just want to rest. I don't know how many times. I just want to let it on the side and just feel the wind on my face, the sun on my face, and just breathe calmly, peacefully, and heavily outside. Just take a look at the nature, animals, insects, stupid stuff that looks stupid but actually are really important. I just want to do that and do nothing else. I don't want to be on my phone. I don't want anybody to talk to me. I just want to be by myself, because it's when I'm truly happy, when I'm by myself, because I know that I'm the only one I can trust when I'm saying I love you and everything will be alright. I hate when flies are like behind my glass, in my house. Because I'm like, bro, you're not that block. Actually, you're not in prison. Like, you can just fly away. It's the same thing when flies or I don't know insects are dying in my pool, in my swimming pool. I'm like, so I built something for me to be happy, when it's hot and to just dive into it. But then some insects are dying in it. Some life are dying in it. Shh. Attends. Attends. Ah. Ah. So yeah, some life or dying in it just because I want something to dive into. You see, like it makes no sense. So sometimes, I mean, a lot of time during my days, I'm around my pool and just looking for little lives who are dying and just trying to save them. But I can save everybody, sure.